My name's Lloyd Reeves, and we just finished up our paddle here, and we're going to try getting out of the boat and staying dry. It's very similar to getting in the boat and staying dry. If you have a sit on top, it's really easy. You just stand up and walk away. But we're in a sit inside right now, and most instructors will have you take your paddle and use it to help you get out. I like to gently lean away from the bank, and then I may have to push this paddle 4 feet underwater, but I'll push the boat so this side touches the land. Then when I roll, I'm actually on the land a little tighter. Then I'll take my paddle and I'll stick it right behind the seat. By gripping behind the seat here, I'm locking myself in, and by putting my weight on the paddle, I'm helping hold the boat and myself to the shore. Then I'll stand out and gently go towards the shore like this using the paddle, and I'm out. But remember, the boat's going to float away, so you got to grab it.